All right, here we go, guys. Group break 132 is full. WNY Bad Boys, Anaheim Ducks on top. All the way down to Canucks fan 1980 with the Jets. All right, guys, here we go. Start with the blaster. Ryan Miller UD Portraits for the Vancouver Canucks. Sorry, guys, just had to respond to something. All right, sorry about that, guys. Get back to the break. Mike Condon for the Montreal Canadiens, young gun. Sergei Kalinin for the New Jersey Devils, young gun. Chris Letang for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Shining Stars. Young gun canvas for the Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Patan. And Shea Weber canvas for the Nashville Predators. What'd you pull down, or what'd you buy, Bedelis? All right, guys. 14-15 SP game use 967. Oh wow, that's disgusting, Nate. Nice patch. That is a nice one. Not a bad one on top here. For the LA Kings. Yeah, LA Kings. Jonathan Bernier. Wes Pete. LA Kings, number 4/10. Draft day marks. All right, next card for the New Jersey Devils. Damian Severson, rookie auto. New Jersey Devils is Canucks fan 1980 as well. Jesus, gotta put my phone on mute. Eddie Lack, we were just talking about him earlier. 26/99 for the Vancouver Canucks. Flova, 2-color Putsch. For the Winnipeg Jets, Andrew Ladd, Evander Kane, and Andre Pavlak. For the Winnipeg Jets, triple jersey for Wes P. Wow, Wes killing the SB Game Use box. Three of the 4 cards gone to Wes. And for the Dallas Stars, Brett Hull and Marty Turco. 2-color on one side, 1-color on the other side. Nice box of SP Game Used. All right, next hobby box. 809/1516 LPG Platinum. Steven Stamkos, retro for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and a Nikolai Ehlers, rookie for the Jets. Red Prism, not bad. Zachary Fucale for the Montreal Canadiens, Red Prism, off-centered as well. 43/149. Off center, left to right for sure on that one. Montreal is WNY Bad Boys. Ronald Kenning, the retro rookie for the Vancouver Canucks. and an Oscar Lindbergh for the New York Rangers. Rookie. Pavel Datsyuk for the Detroit Red Wings retro, sorry. Ryan Hartman for the Chicago Blackhawks rookie. Gold for the St. Louis Blues, Seismic Gold, 2 of 50 for the St. Louis Blues, Dan Andro. And a Linus Ullmark for the Buffalo Sabres rookie. Gold rookie rainbow for the New York Rangers, 133 of 149. Oscar Lindbergh. And an Artemi Panarin rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks. Nice and colorful for the box thus far. Oh, blue. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, blue rainbow auto, rookie auto. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Antoine Bibeau. And a Sam Bennett rookie for the Flames. Who is the Leafs? Ian. Ian with the Leafs. Mikko Rantanen retro rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. Jaromir Jagr retro for the Florida Panthers, and a Stanislav Galiev rookie for the Caps. Jerome McGinley retro rainbow rookie, or not rookie, retro rainbow for the Avs. Tracked Daniel Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks, and a Sergei Pletnikov for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Jason Pominville for the Minnesota Wild tracks, and a Max Domi rookie for the Coyotes. New Jersey Devils trophy talent, Martin Brodeur, and a Connor Hellebuck rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. They're blinding you. That blinds you. That blinds you right there. Rainbow Jamie McGinn for the Dallas Stars. Or Jamie Benn, sorry, not McGinn. And a Colton Parayko rookie for the St. Louis Blues. Sergei Bobrovsky rainbow for the Colorado Columbus Blue Jackets. And a Jake Virtanen rookie for the Vancouver Canucks. I knew you would take offense to that. Jamie McGinn again for the Dallas Stars. Oh, I mean, sorry, Jamie Benn. Team logos, Dallas Stars. And then Nick Shore for the LA Kings rookie. Sid the Kid. Team logos for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Yeah, I like saying that name, Jamie McGinn. Brendan Gaunce for the Vancouver Canucks, rainbow rookie. 2 packs left if we get a bonus auto. Rick Nash Rainbow for the New York Rangers, and a Devin Shore for the Dallas Stars rookie. And no bonus auto. Anze Kopitar for the LA Kings retro, and a Charles Hudon rookie for Montreal Canadiens. That was 1560 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Pretty terrible box, to be honest. Let's hopefully the showcase ends it off with a bang. All right, guys. 16-17 showcase. Box number is, come on, focus, 443. Erickson Ek, you need? Joel Pavelski, Scoring Kings for the San Jose Sharks. Steven Stamkos, Metal Universe, Tampa Bay Lightning. Jamie McGinn for the Dallas Stars, EX 2017. There we go. Jamie McGinn. I mean Ben. Vladimir Tarasenko, Metal Universe for the St. Louis Blues. Yeah, but when you do hit the patches, it's actually nice patches, not like the one color garbage you got out of last year's stuff. Anthony Boulevier for the New York Islanders. I think they did it better this year than they did in previous years. Blue Ice, Jimmy Vesey for the New York Rangers. Oops, almost dropped it. 122 of 199. Rangers. Hot gloves for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Every patch I've seen come out of Showcase this year is 2 or 3 colors. I've never seen a 1 color. You get the napkins all the time in last year's stuff. Connor Brown for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Rookie Showcase. Red glow for the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Yeah, exactly. Here's going to be the 1 color patch of Austin Matthews. Brandon Carlo, Metal Universe for the Boston Bruins. Man, these cards are sticking together. Shea Weber, Red Glow for the Montreal Canadiens. Flair Showcase, Ivan Provorov for the Philadelphia Flyers. What's up, the King? Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers. Insert. Flair Showcase insert. Red Glow for the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Van Riemsdyk. I don't have much else posted other than this mixer that I did tonight. I can put stuff together, but there's nothing. The only other break I have is a 15-16 black single box, 3 for $30 or $11 a spot. And there's 19 left currently in that. Montreal Canadiens, Arturi Lehkonen, Metal Universe. Wow, nice. Jack Eichel. It's not rookie, but still decent hit. 35 of 150 for the Buffalo Sabres. Grizzly, red PMG. I do have a random team case of artifacts posted, but there's still 29 spots left in that. The King. It's not no real movement on it. For the Boston Bruins, Danton Heinen, rookie auto, 156 of 499. Boo-hoo, no patch auto. And final pack of the break, guys, is random. Nope, all Devils, sorry. Thought there was one other team on there. For the New Jersey Devils, Vincent Mosick, Blake Patella or Paitila, Nick Lapin, and Johan Avitu for the New Jersey Devils, 380 of 399. Man, I cannot say half those names. All right, guys, that is break 132. Thank you very much for joining. Peace out, guys.